In this video, we're going to learn how to make parallel box plots using our graphics calculator. In this example, we have the heart rates of two groups. One group has 115, 115, all the way up to 144, and group 2 has 125, 125, all the way up to 164. So the first thing we need to do is go into our graphics calculator, into our menu. We're going to choose Statistics, and as you can see, I've actually already entered this data. Group 1 in List 1, Group 2 in List 2. I'm going to go to Set Graph, and I'm going to choose Stat Graph 1, and it will always close. So I go back in, and I choose Setting. So for my first graph, I click on 1, and I'm going to select On. I don't want a scatter graph, I want a box plot. So if I look down the menu, I've got Med Box. So that means a box plot that shows the median. I want it to be List 1, frequency of 1, and I'm going to show the outliers. I can press Set, and it's memorized that for me. However, because I'm doing parallel, I also want to go back in, and I want to go to 2. So this is my second graph. I'm going to choose a second graph on. I want another median box plot. I want it to be List 2, and notice how it automatically chose that for me. And I'd also like it to show outliers, and press Set. Now I want to draw the box plot. So I press this button that looks like, I don't know, column graph with a wavy line. And when I press that, you'll see down the bottom, I have two box plots, a blue one and a red one. I can press Resize, and that just makes it so that it's a bit easier to see. So now I've got one scale with two different box plots, and it makes any comparison far easier. I could also, if I really wanted to, I could go into Analysis and Trace, and that would allow me, using my cursor down here, to find out all of those important points on my box plot. Alternatively, I could find the same thing by looking at my one variable regression, which will give me my 5-number summary and all sorts of other details like mean and mode. Thanks for that.